So in this video, we'll be going through some functions in Adobe Acrobat. When you first open a document, there is an arrow to the left. If you click on it once, it'll show these icons. The first icon are page thumbnails. It gives you a high-level view of all of the pages on the document. If you click on one document, when you see the arrow, you can click on it and move and reorder. You can also click on the page and do a rotation. The next icon is the bookmarks icon. For this particular bookmark, what you could do is highlight a particular section on the document. If you click this Add Bookmark icon, it will grab the section that you highlighted as the default name. But you can also go in and rename it yourself. What happens is if you go to a different section of the particular document, you can click on it and it will go back to the initial section that you highlighted for a bookmark. You can also add additional bookmarks and reorder them as you would like. The next section would be items on the top toolbar. Over here, you could view, zoom in, and zoom out of the particular document. Right here, this particular icon, you can click to see a different view of how you want to see the different pages. Over here, this sticky note icon lets you comment on particular sections of the page. This highlight lets you highlight different parts of the document. Notice that this highlight over here is not highlighting text because this section is not recognized as text. Over here is an icon for you to edit text and images. From here, you can move images and you can edit text. Over here is add text. You can draw in your own text box and add in your own text. Right here, you can add in your own image. Right here, you can add in a particular link. Here in the header footer section, you can choose to add information on the different sections designated by Adobe. You could also select different date formats or number formats and add in a page number or a date onto your pages. When you're done with the customization, you can click OK. The next section is the watermark. Right here, you can add in the specific text that you will want to see watermarked on the page. Right here, you can also select and change the text size. Over here, you can choose to rotate or customize the rotation of the particular watermark. Right here, you can choose how dark or how light it will show up on the page. Or here, you can select if it's going to be behind the page or on top of the page, depending on how much text you have on there. You could apply OK, and now the watermark will show up on your page. And over here under More, there's an option for base numbering. You can click on Add, and since previously we had a footer, it will provide a particular warning that it will be replaced. We can click on Replace Existing. And now over here, depending on where you want to put the particular base number, you would want to choose that particular section, click Insert Base Number, and it will give you the prefix options. And And if you click OK, there goes the base number. If you want to change the font size, and you can also change the position of the margin by updating the margins over here. And you click OK. And now the base numbers will be added on the bottom of each page. And when you're done with these particular functions, you can click Close. There are other functions to the right. If you click on this arrow right here, there's a section over here named Combined Files. You can click over here, Add Files, and it will let you combine multiple PDFs. From here, you can reorder the PDFs as you please. And once you are done, you can click Combine. And once it's combined, you can come over here, look at the pages. You can see that all of the documents have been combined, and there is a new PDF that has been created. Over here, if you highlight specific text, it gets highlighted. Down here, it doesn't get highlighted. That means this section right here is currently not searchable. But the sections that we were able to highlight are. So what we can do in Adobe is something called Scan and OCR to make the sections that are currently not searchable, searchable. So you would click on the Scan and OCR section and click on Recognize Text in this file. And then you can click Recognize Text. It will scan through the documents and find the sections that aren't searchable and make them searchable. And now the text is highlightable and searchable. For the OCR and base numbering, you can also do this with multiple files. You can come over here, click in multiple files, and add in the different files that you would need. Once they are added, you would click OK. And you can choose if you want the target folder to be the same folder that you selected from the start, or you can choose a different folder as the destination. You can choose to keep the original file names or add to the original file names. You can choose to overwrite existing files, or you can choose to make new ones. You can click OK. Choose the formatting that you would like, and click OK.